Hi guys, I'm Professor Payne, your instructor for your online pre-calculus course this summer. I wanted to take a chance to post a video drawing your attention to some important features of the course that students often overlook. So first of all, just make sure that you click on Start here and read through the course orientation. I know there's a lot of information in that, but all of it I feel like would be helpful in helping you guys to be successful in the course. So if you could take your time and read through all of that and take the advice that's there to heart. My focus is really just helping you guys to do as well as you can in the course. Okay, so read through the course orientation. But the things that I wanted to point out in this video, so a few things. Make sure that you use this weekly units button each week. I'll pull up an example of that in a second, but I've posted the lecture part of the course. It's mostly in this course, it's in PowerPoints, and then I have links to video examples. I've tried to include as many videos as I can. I don't want to add too many because then I know the likelihood that people view all of them is going to go down as the more videos I add. But so I've added videos of a few key examples in the lecture notes, which are under weekly units. Also, another thing I'm going to highlight is the online office hours. So the link down here, which I'll talk more about in a second. Okay. So first, when you click on the weekly units, you'll get a window like this. So I've gone into the week 1 unit here. The main thing that I wanted to draw your attention to here is the weekly checklist, which is always going to be it's going to be the second item usually, because usually you won't have that first "did you complete the course orientation" item there. So first item will be the learning objectives. What topics are we going to cover for the week? And the second item will be exactly what I'm expecting you to turn in that week. So each week you can go through this list and just kind of check things off as you go to make sure that you've turned in everything that you should have turned in. So definitely take advantage of that weekly checklist, which again you get to by clicking on weekly units in Blackboard. Due dates are all on Monday nights. So every Monday night you'll have multiple items due at the stroke of midnight or right before at 11:59 p.m. Here, while I'm on this page, so the section lectures, that's what I was talking about on that previous page. When you click on those items, you'll get access to notes that I've posted in PowerPoint format, which is preferable, because that way you can click through and kind of see the solutions one step at a time instead of all of it just appearing at once. Or in PDF format if that helps you. And the example videos are included in there. Okay, the online office hours. So here I've captured the screen where I had online office hours going. So you'll have to do some setup here. You'll have to download the Blackboard Collaborate. That's what this tool is called, the launcher, to be able to get this working. But you can go ahead and do that anytime. The online office hours are always open until the end of the course. What I have listed for online office hours are the times where I will be logged in. But you guys are welcome to log in anytime if you want to just meet with other students in the course online and work problems together. You're more than welcome to do that. Okay, but so I've copied the screen where I've got a homework problem copied in here just to show you the capabilities. And this is usually what I do during online office hours. A student will come in and ask for a particular problem, which you can do, by the way, either by typing or by clicking talk and talking to me, whichever you're more comfortable with. And then I can pull up the problem in the window here and write out the solution on the screen while I'm talking through it. So it's almost as good as meeting with me in my office or raising your hand in class. You can pick up a problem and I'll talk through it, work through it step by step, where you can stop me anytime and ask a question, just to gain a better understanding of whatever homework problems you're stuck on, or examples from the notes. If you'd like me to kind of work through it with you, we can do that. Or just a topic that you'd like explained more thoroughly. The online office hours, students don't use them very much, to be honest with you. I wish students used them a lot more. So it's an opportunity for probably some one-on-one tutoring with me online. If there's more students there, then you get kind of the classroom feel. And it's great. I mean, I do occasionally get 5 or 6 students at one time, all working through problems together, and it does start to feel like we're actually in the classroom. So please do consider taking advantage of that. Okay, and one last thing. Within the homework, you'll have this button that says Question Help, and you'll get this drop-down menu with different options. Help me solve this is very popular. There's a textbook link, which will take you to the section in the textbook that should help you with this problem. But what I wanted to make sure you guys are aware of is an option called Ask My Instructor. So if you choose Ask My Instructor, you'll get this window that already includes a link for me to the exact problem you're working on, and I can also see any answers that you've tried to input where maybe you're marked wrong. So whatever you have input in the answer box, I'll be able to see that as well. If you just want to ask, okay, my math lab has already marked me wrong with this once, but I don't see what's wrong with my answer, you could type that in an email to me, and then I can look at it and respond with some advice about what's going on. So make sure you take advantage of that. It's Question Help. You'll get a drop-down menu here, and Ask My Instructor is one of the options. So just don't forget that you have that option. And that's all I have for you for now. So just good luck this week working through the material. I know you've got a ton to do with the course orientation as well as some actual pre-calculus work to do. Feel free and email me if you get stuck or confused at all. And I'm looking forward to a great summer term.